Today my topic is centripetal acceleration. It is very important and very useful derivation for different purpose. First we have to know what is centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration is a such acceleration which is directed towards the origin. When a body moves in a circular orbit, then the acceleration is directed toward the center of the circular path. So this is known as the centripetal acceleration. Now we have to derive the expression of it. So first we have to define the centripetal acceleration. Now when a particle moves in a circular path of uniform velocity, then the acceleration is along the center of the path. This acceleration is known as centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration, it is denoted by that is Fc. So we draw a diagram. With the help of this diagram we derive a value of Fc. So this is theta. Let a particle of mass m is moving along the circle of radius r with uniform angular velocity that is omega. Let at any time the particle is at point A. In time t it goes to point B. The angle is theta. So angle is theta. that is A OB, that is theta. This is very small. This is very small. The velocity at A is along AC. Velocity at A is along AC. There is no component of velocity along AO. There is no velocity along AO because OAC, this is OAC 90 degree. The velocity at B has two components. Number one, that is V sin theta. This is along, this is F along BF. Number two, V cos theta along BE. Now V sin theta becomes V theta, and V cos theta equal to V, because sin theta equal to theta, cos theta equal to 1. This is for small value of theta. For small value of theta, so sin theta equal to theta, cos theta equal to, that is 1. So initial velocity Initial velocity 0, final velocity, that is v theta, final velocity, that is v theta. This is along AO, this is along AO. This component, that is V and that is V minus V equal to 0. So along AC there is no value of V, because this is V and this is V, then V minus V equal to 0. Only the component, only the V exists along AO. So change in velocity along AO is, that is v theta minus 0, that is v theta. So rate of change of velocity, that is v theta by t. So this is nothing but fc. So v by theta by v into theta by t. So that is v omega. This is v omega. We know that is v sum on omega r. So fc equal to, we get This is omega, that is V by R. So we can write V square by R. Again, that is Fc equal to omega R into omega, that is omega square R. We know that is omega equal to 2 pi n. So Fc equal to 2 pi n তার স্কোয়ার ইন্টু আর, তাহলে এফসি ইকুয়াল টু 4 পাই স্কোয়ার এন স্কোয়ার আর। হেন্স centripetal acceleration, hence centripetal acceleration always acts along the radius towards the center, so proportional 1 by r. When v is constant, fc proportional v square. When r is constant, so we write that is fc proportional 1 by r. When v is constant, fc proportional v square when r is constant. So today we have learned that is a centripetal force and expression for centripetal force. I think this class is very helpful for all the students. Please watch all the videos, like and share and subscribe. Thank you all my dear students. Thank you.